Before Apple's earnings report, I shared my frustration that I didn't notice when it dropped below 170 per share recently, considering that buying Apple under 170 and then selling it over 170 has been a good swing trading opportunity lately. I did, however, note that there may be another trading opportunity. With Apple running so much right before its earnings report, we can historically expect it to drop, so I recommended short-term shorting it, and sure enough, we did get that drop here, but I did not take that trade personally because I had already traded too much that day. Instead, I bought the dip the next day. With the market being positive lately and Apple's earnings being good, I decided that 173 was a sufficient buy-in point. I then took a 50% gain on an options day trade that day, but I also bought more Apple just to hold. AMC is similar, as this is now the fourth quarter in a row that AMC has rallied shortly before its earnings are due. If it dips after the earnings report, then this would also be the fourth time in a row that happened as well. I was occasionally profiting from Ford's relatively consistent fluctuations, but then we suddenly had this crazy drop recently. But thankfully, just buying more, averaging down, and holding paid off, as it's already bounced about $1 from that new low. I'm still holding Jumia long term. I think that the dirt cheap call options for 2024 or 2025 are definitely worth holding, but the new call I bought under 250, I already took profits on over 250. I've also consistently swing traded Fubo. I don't trust it as much long term, although I think most things will be higher than they are now next bull market. Rumble is still one of my primary long-term holds. Although I didn't buy a lot of it, I think it has a ton of potential and could triple next bull market, although Twitter/X has been competition for it now. I still want to hold some Beyond Meats for the next bull market because of its potential hype and deals, but it's not like Chewy or AMD where I know for a fact those two should at least double by the next bull market, if not more. AMD also continues to be one of my best stocks for day trading and swing trading. I'm just waiting for things to cool and a new pattern to emerge right now. GameStop I temporarily quit holding and swing trading while it plummets, but I'll eventually buy back in. Overstock, I recommended buying 2 of the last 3 times that it bounced. I think it'll eventually get back over 20, but I don't know when. Mara has also been great for swing trading, and it'll probably fly a ways past $10 per share if Bitcoin continues to climb to newer highs.